Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to talk about my favorite body care items right now. Throughout quarantine, I don't know about y'all, but I have established a routine for every aspect of my life, from waking up in the morning to midday meditation and relaxation to nighttime routines. But through these routines, I have established a body care routine. I feel like I didn't realize how much I was neglecting the skin on my body until we got into quarantine. I'm like, girl, what? So throughout quarantine, I tried out a lot of new products and just refocused my mind when it came to taking care of my body. So I do want to share some products that I really love when it comes to body care with you guys today. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button down below. Join the family. We're on the road to 6K period, and I want all of y'all to join because we're doing big things over here. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, and with your opinions. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So body care, it's important. You need to make sure you're taking care of the skin on your body the same way you take care of the skin on your face. And that's something that honestly back in March I was not doing, and throughout quarantine, one, I acknowledged it, and two, I took action. I feel like that's a new thing in my life. It's like, one, you acknowledge what's wrong, you acknowledge what has to be done, and then two, you take action instead of just sitting around and complaining and all of that. So side rant, but this video will be speaking about my current body care favorite items. The first one is my sugar wax kit. So let me tell y'all, during quarantine, today is July 7th. The last time I got a wax before today, July 7th, was February 15th. I don't think that some of y'all understand how severe that is, especially to me. I get a wax once a month, and I'm a very hairy girl, as you guys probably see from my hair videos, but I'm a hairy girl. So during quarantine, I got fed up. The hair was just becoming too much for me, and I was like, I need to practice waxing myself. So I waxed my armpits, and I attempted a Brazilian wax. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it above. But I used this sugaring kit, and I really enjoy it. So now the only thing that I get waxed at the European Wax Center is my punene, and I do my armpits at home by myself. This kit is so amazing. Like, once you figure out like how to wax yourself, it's super easy. So if you guys watch both of my videos where I tried this kit, you guys will hear all of my tips that I use to successfully wax myself. Now, I waxed my armpits the other day in 5 minutes, but it's so amazing. It's so easy on the skin. My skin doesn't get irritated at all when I use this, and it's just super easy. It comes with the paste. All you have to do is warm it up for about 30 seconds. And I did purchase wax sticks from Amazon to use with this kit because I just found that it was easier that way, especially using the t-shirt method. So I did get some wax sticks from Amazon, so I will link them down below. But I just go ahead, spread the paste on my armpit, slap on my t-shirt strip, and rip it off, and the hair comes off. So super easy to use, super easy on the skin and all of that. So I would highly recommend this kit if you are a beginner at waxing at home. I find that this was very easy for me. I did also try the flamingo wax strips, and I tried the Sally Hansen wax strips. Both of them, it just didn't work for me. I don't know if it's my hair texture, my hair type, I don't know what, but it didn't work. This worked for me, so I would actually really recommend this. The next item, it's not really a product, I would say it's more of a tool, but it is this, I think it's pronounced footy, and it is this like exfoliating wash tool. So I did get this from Musu Beauty, which is a black owned business, black owned period, and it's just really good for washing up. What I do is I'll go ahead and lather my soap on here, and then I'll scrunch it up into a ball and wash my body. And for all y'all that don't be washing y'all back, this makes it super easy because you can just go ahead and wash your back like so. But yeah, so you can definitely get this from Musu Beauty. It comes in so many different colors, but it's really good for also if you are into like exfoliating your skin. This really helps. This substitutes like an exfoliating glove if you guys use that, so I would highly recommend this tool. The next item, since we're on the brand of Musu Beauty, is their body butter. So Musu Beauty does offer body butters, and you guys, they are amazing. So one thing with me is, I don't want to say I was scarred, but I wasn't really into using body butters because I would use body butters and they would just leave my skin like dry. I don't know how to explain it. Like, my skin would be shiny, but my skin wouldn't feel moisturized. Comment down below and let me know if you can understand what I'm saying. But I was like, I'm not using body butters. Give me some Jergens lotion, give me some Palmer's lotion, and I'll call it a day. But I tried these body butters from Musu Beauty, which Black owned business, woman owned business, Muslim owned business. I speak about it all the time on my channel and Instagram. Y'all, their body butters are amazing. They're so good, so amazing. So these are my two favorite body butters that I use from them. So my two favorite are Milk and Honey and Coco Nilla. I did upgrade. I upgraded, y'all, so I only use the 8-ounce ones because I go through them so quickly that I'm just like, screw the 4-ounce, I need the 8-ounce. Shit, I probably even need a 16-ounce. So Musu Beauty, if y'all watching this, Fatima, the girls might need a 16-ounce. I go through this so quickly. So what I do is I shower at night, and then I'll go ahead and apply it all over. When I tell you guys, one, it smells amazing. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, it looks amazing. It gives me a nice shine. So if you are into the glowy skin summery look, then you should definitely check out these body butters as well. And what I like to do is follow up after I use my Musu Beauty body butter with my Palmer's Deep Radiance Gel Oil. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you guys have been following me since February, I have been bragging about this gel oil. When I tell you guys that this gel oil is bae, it's bae, okay? Kiani put me onto this when we were in Jamaica for Tabby's birthday. You guys, it's just amazing. I don't know how to explain it. It is a gel oil. It doesn't feel sticky though, and it doesn't like feel oily on your skin. It just like seeps in and gives you a nice radiant glow. It smells amazing. It smells like cocoa, you can say that, but it just, you guys, this is so amazing. I'm currently on like my 5th one since February, so that should definitely tell you a lot about how much I enjoy this product. And it's cheap. It's only like $4. So whenever I do my body care routine at night, I use my Musu Beauty body butter, and then I follow up with my Palmer's gel oil, and my skin feels so amazing, so good. So the next product as a part of my body care routine, yeah, I always use deodorant. I tried to try, like, you know, the natural deodorant trend or whatever's going on, but it just wasn't for me. So I just stick with my Holy Girls deodorants from Dove. So I like the Cool Essentials, which I believe is like a cucumber scent. And then I recently went to TJ Maxx and picked up the Fresh. They had this one for it was 2 in a pack for $3.99, so I went ahead and picked it up. But these are my two current favorite, I guess we can say, fragrance deodorants. Dove deodorants are so good. In case y'all don't know, I sweat a lot. I'm a sweaty girl, so I always gotta put deodorant on before I go out and throw a little deodorant in my bag. So I do have a travel size deodorant too. It's in one of my bags, but I just make sure I always carry it, because the worst thing you can do is have bad hygiene, is show bad hygiene, is smell bad hygiene. It's just a no. So make sure y'all are using deodorants. Use it, buy it and use it. So the next two products we can say that are a part of my body care routine is for the lips, but I just wanted to speak about them because I love them so much. So I have crusty lips naturally. My lips used to flake. They be just be a no. So I've been trying different products to help with the crustation on my lips, and the two products that I love the most are the Fresh Beauty Sugar Hydrating Lip Balm. So I currently have the Blood Orange, but I also tried the Sugar Lime, I think it is, and I love the lime better. But the Blood Orange, I ain't mad at it. I have it. I started using it, so I'm gonna finish it. But if you are interested in trying this for the first time, I would recommend to try the mint one first. I'll put the full name on the screen so you guys know. But y'all, this lip balm is bae. And then the next item item. I speak about this all the time. This is a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the scent or fragrance Berry. You guys, this lip balm is so good. I tried the lip sleeping mask and I do have it and I do like it, but I prefer the lip balm. And then the last product that I have been enjoying as a part of my body care routine is this As You Scrub the Day Away. This is a lemongrass exfoliating body scrub, and I did pick this up from Amazon. I'm like basically done. I probably have like 2 more washes out of this, but it's so lightweight on the skin. I don't like beady exfoliating products, but it's more sugar based, so it's not as hard on your skin as like a St. Ives type of product. That's just my experience with it. I really love it. I use it on darker areas and I feel like it does lighten them up. Like below my butt cheeks, I have some hyperpigmentation, so I'll apply it there. But you guys, this scrub is bae. So these are the products that I've been enjoying in my body care routine, and they've been getting my skin together. I've been feeling good, I've been smelling good and all of that. So I would highly recommend these products. These are my current body care favorites. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. Let me know if you guys plan on trying any of these products. Comment down below and let your girl know. Period. I'm always here for some product recommendations too, so leave your favorites, your current favorite body care routine products down below and I will be sure to check them out. But that's all I have for today's video. Everything included in today's video will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check out those links. Support Musu Beauty, Black owned, period. And yeah, so that's all I have for today's video. Before you head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button, join the family. We're on the road to 6K. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, or anything that is on your mind after watching this video. And until my next video, which will be on Monday, I'll see you guys later.